Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Live, and I'm really excited for today's video as we'll be unboxing a box of goodies kindly sent to us by Candy Hackers. I really can't wait, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to this. It was so lovely when you had the message
from Adama from Candy Hackers.
That's it, to say that they'd like to send you
their members box.
You were so happy and so excited when you had the message.
I was, and I really can't wait to open it now. Oh, how many chocolate bars are in there? Candy Hackers chocolates are all vegan and gluten-free too, which is absolutely brilliant.
It is.
And they're going to be starting doing some sweets soon too.
That sounds amazing.
I've been following them on TikTok for a while, haven't I, Mum?
You have.
And then I was commenting on their videos, and so lovely to get the replies, and then the messages from Adama too. It's been amazing, and I'm so excited to open this box now. We'll link all the information in the description below. We'll leave Adama's TikTok there, and the website, along with the Instagram too.
I think that's a great idea.
Getting there, Mum.
You are.
Can't wait. Ready?
So it says thank you, and it's got Candy Hackers. Show us your treats. Tag us on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you for your support. Show us your box and tag us on TikTok and Instagram at Candy Hackers.
Should you see what goodies there are, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
The party confetti!
That's it. It looks amazing.
So excited.
This is Candy Hackers. Thanks for your order. That's amazing. Oh, sticky memos.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, Candy Hackers stickers. Oh, a drink and a little rabbit with an envelope.
Oh.
Different is beautiful sticker.
Oh, can't wait, Mum. Getting close to the chocolate.
You are.
Here you go.
Oh, the party bar.
Can't wait to try this. It sounds incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
That one.
Popping orange.
Thank you so much. That one.
Oh, cookie megabytes.
Yay! And that one.
The heart bar.
Ooh. These all sound incredible, don't they, Mum?
It does.
And
So,
sweets.
Sweets. You've got different mixture of sweets there. You've got some bubs in there as well.
Thank you so much. Oh, that's not it, Mum.
Oh, you've got some little sweets in here as well. Yay. Epic. And sweets.
Thank you so... Oh.
And one more. LOL.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot, and I really can't wait to enjoy your goodies. Thank you so much for being so kind and sending us this amazing box. I can't wait to try this from the chocolate, Mum. Can you?
I'm really looking forward. Are you going to share?
Of course I am.
That's great.
Wonder what to try first,
That's
though.
what I was going to say. Oh, big decision. Which one to try first?
Maybe cookie megabytes.
That might be a good one.
Not to forget the Candy Hackers pin badge too.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. And I can't wait to enjoy this from chocolate now too. Really can't wait to open the Cookie Megabytes bar, can you, Mum?
I can't.
We're getting there now.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That looks so amazing.
Yeah?
It really does.
Smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it?
It really smells fantastic. Oh, it's got like little swirls on that side, and on the other side, it's got like broken biscuits through it.
Should we try
some now?
Yes, please.
Do you want me to break it, or are you going to break it?
I'll let you break it, Mum. Had to get some of the cookie on it.
Oh, I had to make sure you had some of the cookie on, didn't I?
Mmm.
Wow. That is amazing.
That's absolutely incredible. I love the vegan chocolate so much, do you, Mum?
Vegan chocolate is so smooth.
It's so smooth and so tasty as well. It's a lovely flavour of milk chocolate.
It is. And then having the
Crunch from the biscuits.
the crunch from the biscuit is so fantastic.
It really is. Such a tasty chocolate bar, isn't it?
Mmm. That's so good. Are you having another piece? Don't blame you. I might join you in a minute.
So I'll try with the sweets now.
I think that's a great idea.
What do you want?
Ooh.
Mmm. Mmm. They're delicious. Nice and sour too.
That's great.
We think Candy Hackers is absolutely amazing with Adama's idea because of there not being a lot of choice for vegan and gluten-free products, isn't it, Mum?
That's right. So I think it's absolutely brilliant what she's doing.
Because some vegan products have gluten in them and some gluten-free products have dairy in them. So now it's absolutely incredible to have these delicious chocolates handmade as well.
It's absolutely brilliant.
Ready to turn it over?
Go on then. It looks amazing.
Should we get some now?
So lovely to see all the different colours. You have to decide what colour.
You get some first. I think I'll go for this one.
Okay.
That's absolutely incredible. I love all of the wonderful flavours so much. And I love the filling so much. It's all absolutely incredible. With the vegan white chocolate, the strawberry and the vegan milk chocolate too. It's an incredible laid bar, isn't it, Mum?
It is.
Definitely needs some warning. Today I thought I'd try the party bar. Sounds amazing, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
Should we open it?
I think that's a great idea. Oh, it looks amazing. All the different vegan sweets on it. A nice for change to have a white chocolate.
Ooh. Get it, Mum?
It's a great idea. Oh, lovely. Lovely colours come all the way through.
What's amazing as well with Candy Hackers chocolate and their colours as well, they're all natural too.
That's right. It's absolutely fantastic.
It is. Should we try some, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Here it is. And here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Wow.
Hmm?
That is amazing.
Mmm. All the sweets are amazing. And I love the popping candy as well. It's absolutely incredible. It gives it a wonderful flavour. Oh, that's such a wonderful vegan white chocolate too, isn't it, ma'am?
It is. It's so creamy.
Absolutely incredible, isn't it?
It really is amazing.
Today we're trying the popping orange bar.
Really looking forward to this one.
Me too.
Mind you, I've looked forward to them all.
Definitely. They've all been incredible. Ready?
I am.
Get in there. In there.
It looks amazing with the orange and yellow as well.
That's great.
Do you want to cut some?
Yes, please. Really excited for the popping candy in this one as well. I think I'll go for this one. Here it is. That's absolutely incredible. I love the orange flavour so much. It goes through the bar in every single bite. And the popping candy is absolutely incredible too. It gives us a wonderful flavour. That popping orange bar was absolutely incredible, wasn't it, ma'am?
It was so delicious. Could you choose a favourite one?
No, they're all so delicious, aren't they?
They were. I couldn't choose a favourite one. They all had their unique flavours, didn't they?
They really did. Something else that is absolutely incredible about Candy Hackers is that all of their colours and flavours are all natural too.
That's it. And knowing that everything is vegan friendly
And gluten-free.
means it's amazing for lots of other people as well.
Of course it does. And the popping candy.
It's absolutely fantastic.
It is so lovely with Adama setting up her small business with one of her kiddos being gluten-free and dairy-free and sharing their creations with everyone too.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. And I know we'll definitely be ordering again.
Definitely. And I can't wait to try some of the other flavours too.
That's going to be amazing.
It's going to be absolutely incredible. We'll leave all the information in the description below.
I think that's a great idea.
I thought I'd try one of the epic
The epic sweets now. Are they epic?
But not as epic as the chocolate bars.
I was just going to say.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell to notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you have tried any of the Candy Hackers chocolate bars.
I think that's a great question.
If you have, which ones have you tried? If you haven't, which ones would you like to try? We'd also love so much to know if you do place an order with Candy Hackers too.
I think that'd be wonderful to know if anyone else places an order with Candy Hackers.
And if you do, what chocolate bars did you order?
That's great.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too. Thank you so much again to Adama and kiddos from Candy Hackers for sending us the incredible members box and letting us try the party bar too.
We honestly can't thank you enough. It really has been amazing to be given this fantastic opportunity to try your wonderful chocolates. We really can't wait to place an order with you very soon.